Hi, my name is Donna Lee. I'm a nursing major and I am doing my presentation over time management. The problem with a lot of time management is that many college students feel as though there is not enough time for them to complete homework, especially with everyday activities that they have to do and chores and just things that have to get done. And why is poor time management a problem? If you have poor time management, you will most likely have less time in the day to complete tasks and homework. You can fall behind in school and you can easily forget what is due and when you're needing it due by. The problem through local, national, and global lenses is that a lot of research has showed that when it comes to time management, if you are not good at it, you tend to be more stressed and tend to not do as well in school. More campaigns and research is being shown and proven to show the importance of being organized and not putting things off. Data and implications. Locally, many students have had admitted to procrastination and the ineffective time management and the impact it has on their success. Nationally, 88% of college students procrastinate, but college males are even worse, at 92% said they procrastinate on their everyday assignments. When it comes to a global scale, they say that every 1 in 5 people are procrastinators. How to get involved? There are many different ways to help with procrastination and solve the issue. When it comes to students, you should have a to-do list, a calendar, when things are due and how much time you have to work on it, and give yourself enough time to be able to complete all those tasks, as well as getting things done when they need to be done and not waiting around. You should also get as much done in the morning as you can. And professors can help by spreading due dates out and giving warnings and heads up, and also by not changing due dates. And then I just have all of my references.